Okay, we're going to do a video on transition pieces and what type of transition piece you need when you're going from one type of flooring to another, whether that is in a doorway or you've completed your job in a room and you're going to a different type of flooring. What type of piece do I need? The first thing we need to look at is the two different types of flooring that you're going from and to. And if one of those is going to be a vinyl plank is typically thinner than, say, a laminate or a hardwood. So we need transition pieces that are thinner. If we are going from two different types of flooring that are of equal height or relatively equal height, we're going to use this piece. It's called a slim trim. And it's going to go over both different types of flooring, one on each side, and then you're going to choose a color that matches one or the other, or that blends in between the two. If you have two different types of flooring that have just slight height differences or thickness differences, you can still use this piece because you can actually slightly angle it one way or the other, depending on what you need. Now, if you're going up against carpet or even like a porcelain or ceramic tile, we want to use a piece that has a flat side, a flat edge, and this is a slim cap, and the trim piece goes right over the product, and then your carpet is going to come right up to it on the other side. If we've got a thicker product, a laminate or a hardwood, we're going to need thicker transition pieces. This is a T-mold. This piece goes in between two different products of equal height. If we're going to go from a higher to a lower, we're going to use a reducer where the reducer sits over top of the higher piece and goes down or reduces down to the lower side, the lower piece. And then again, if we have carpet, we're going to want that straight edge side up against the carpet. So we're going to use an end cap just like that. Those are your transition piece options.